In case you don't know, Finviz is one of the best free online tools for finding stock picks. Today, I want to show you a screen I've set up to find awesome breakout stock picks. So how does it work? Well, this is the screen I set up, and I'll show you exactly how you can set up the same screen. First, I went over to the All tab. This combines all of the different descriptive, fundamental, and technical filters that you can use to zero in on the best stock picks and the best breakouts. So, where do we start? The first thing I like to screen for is volume. This falls under the descriptive tab. Down here, you can see that I'm filtering for average volume over 100,000 shares. This is a nice baseline level of liquidity for the average individual investor or trader. Next, I'm interested in some fundamentals. I know that most technical traders don't care about fundamentals, but we're looking for the best breakout stocks. That means we want to avoid some of the worst stocks. So how do we do it? Specifically, I first want to eliminate stocks with a really high debt load. So I'm only including stocks that have a debt equity ratio under 1. That means all of the debt and the value of that debt is less than the value of the equity in the company. This helps us exclude the most levered companies. Next, I want to look for companies that are earning strong profits for their shareholders, as shown by return on equity. In this case, I'm only looking at companies that are earning over 20% return on equity. This helps eliminate a lot of unprofitable businesses that are perhaps more likely to be downgraded by analysts or miss earnings, which could result in big losses. With that volume and fundamental filters, now I like to move into the technicals. The first thing I'm looking for is a strong uptrend. I believe that momentum begets more momentum most of the time, and you have a better chance of making money on winning breakouts if you buy stocks that are in strong uptrends. To do this, I like to look at the moving averages. In particular, price should be above the 20-day moving average. The 20-day moving average should be above the 50-day moving average, and the 50-day moving average should be above the 200-day moving average, or the 200-day moving average below the 50-day moving average. Same thing. Next, since we're looking at breakout stocks, I want to find stocks that are making new highs. Generally, I'm happy to find stocks that are making a new 50-day high. However, since the market has been very strong lately, I'm also including a new 52-week high. This way, we're zeroing in on the best of the best. While Finviz covers thousands of stocks, these criteria have narrowed us down to a list of 39. These are the 39 stocks that I think have a high probability of continuing to break out in an uptrend due to their liquidity, strong fundamentals, and strong technical uptrend. One of the best things about Finviz is that you can sort the results by looking at charts. Just click on the charts button and you'll see all of the stocks that your screen has selected presented in chart format. As you can see, these stocks are all trending up with nice smoothly aligned moving averages, and they're continuing to hit new highs. I believe that this kind of stock pick can really put the odds in your favor.